Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE Magazine page channel. Now in today's video guys, I'm gonna talk about the 3 basic issues that I'm coming across recently onto the Redbubble, which I think that Redbubble need to work upon to have a better user experience for the artists who are selling on their platform and also for the customers who are actually purchasing onto the Redbubble. So I think that Redbubble need to work upon these 3 issues. So we will going to talk about these 3 issues in this video guys, and also I came across a few other creators in this YouTube space who are making the video related to the Redbubble print on demand. I see that they are also addressing the same issue. So I think that it's really important for us to address this issue, so that maybe if Redbubble came across any such videos or any other person who came across this videos, and maybe they can address to the Redbubble and talk upon this issue, and maybe they can correct it or something like that. So it would be beneficial for all of us who are purchasing on the Redbubble, who are selling onto the Redbubble. And the issue that I came across is spamming the text onto the, especially on the trending topics or trending niches on the Redbubble. And I generally go across on the bubble trends and I see what are the trends of the day, and then I came across one trending topic or niche, you can see, that was the busy doing nothing. And when I actually just search onto the Redbubble and looking for the designs for that particular trending niche, then I came across a few of the designs that were actually using the same tag again and again in their same design. That means they were spamming the tags, like they were using busy doing nothing again and again into that same design, and they were trying to spamming the tag so that when actually someone searching for that particular tag on the keyword onto the Redbubble, then only their design will going to be there on the up on the search results, and the rest of the creators are also using, or other artists are also selling on that same particular trending niche. Their designs would be found on the last pages, not on the front pages of the search engine for that particular keyword. So it's not fair for the artists, it's not fair for the people who are generally putting so much time and effort in creating these designs, and then they are uploading their designs onto this platform. And I want to really address this issue guys. Now my Redbubble account is no more, it's been suspended, so I don't know whether I'm gonna get it back or not, but I really want to help other creators or other artists who are also using the Redbubble for selling their art, selling the designs, and they are not getting the sale because of this spamming of the tags, because there are many spammers right now onto the Redbubble. So I think that Redbubble need to literally work on this issue and need to correct that so that people don't misuse the tags, because according to the Redbubble, you ideally need to use 10 to 15 genuine tags that are completely related to your designs, and you don't need to repeat them again and again, which these spammers are doing it. So it's not really good. It's not. Second issue which I came across the Redbubble, which is my own personal experience guys, is that Redbubble don't have the good customer support. Like when my Redbubble account was suspended, and I've already made a video talking about this topic. I made a 2 video talking about, if you want to check that, there would be in the card section, but I already made that video and talked that this was happened to me and I want my Redbubble account back, and I submitted their email request. I didn't get any response from their email request. However, when I sent them a message on to the Twitter, they reply me back stating that they're gonna review on my request and they're gonna process with all those things, and I don't need to resubmit my request and again they're gonna respond to it and all that. But I didn't get any proper response and any proper reply from them that when I will going to get my Redbubble account back, when I'm gonna get my Redbubble shop back. I didn't get even any proper response. So I want to say that really Redbubble need to work on their customer support, especially for the artists, especially for the designers who are selling on their platform. It was a disservice for me as well, and when I made that video I was getting many of the comments. In fact, many of the DMs people were telling me that their account has been suspended too, and their shops were getting huge sales, were getting huge success, and now their Redbubble account has been suspended, so their shop is no more. And when they literally contacted the Redbubble didn't reply to them, and there is no proper support, or reply from the Redbubble related to the artist. So I think that Redbubble really need to work upon this factor, because this is the real issue, like for all those artists who are really making their designs from the scratch, like me and various other artists who are specially making their own designs. And when these artists really make their Redbubble shops on the Redbubble, and when they get popular, they're getting more sales, they're easily found onto the search engine, and then their Redbubble account has suspended. And so far they have made on the Redbubble, they won't get it back, and they are not getting their Redbubble account back, and all those things, which is literally hurting these artists who are really putting so much effort and time into making these designs. And when their shop is getting popular, when their shop is getting some traction and getting sales and all that, then their Redbubble account has been suspended for really no reason. And when they actually contact the Redbubble, they don't get any proper response, a proper reply from the Redbubble. I really don't know why this is happening, because it's happened to me as well. I really don't know. Maybe a few of the people were saying that they are misusing the Redbubble platform, there are many spammers, and it's not fair, guys. It's literally not fair. Once the spamming tags is there, then second, they are not properly responding to the artist about talking about why their Redbubble account has been suspended, what they need to do to resolve it, whether they're gonna get it back or not. So there is lack of the proper customer support or artist support from the Redbubble, which I see across, which is my personal issue. And I really want to say to Redbubble, in fact, if any of you guys who are watching this video can really talk to Redbubble, maybe via their Twitter or maybe email, whatever support you are getting, maybe you can convey these issues to the Redbubble, so that it would be easy for the artists as well, and it would be easy for everyone who are selling, who are purchasing onto the Redbubble, and also for the Redbubble to work on these issues. The third thing that I want to address, that the third issue is I came across as infringing of the trademark or the copyright designs, that like this one. And when I came across onto the Redbubble, I saw many such designs which are not in favor of the trademark, and people are actually making these designs, they are actually selling them, they are ranking higher on the search results, and customers are actually purchasing from the Redbubble. And also I was getting a few comments in my previous videos, and people were telling that Redbubble is working on the infringement and they are just misusing it, and all those things is happening on their platform. And so you need to work upon that, because it would be literally unfair for the other people, for the other artists who are making their designs, who are putting so much time and effort in literally making these designs from the scratch, and then they found that they are not getting the sales, or their account has been suspended, or there are the other spammers who are spamming the tags, or copyright infringement, and all those things are happening on the platform. So it would be really a big disservice for the other people, for the other artists who are genuinely creating these designs, are genuinely putting time and effort into that, and it's not good. So I really want to address that, and please guys, I want your support as well, because I see that other YouTube creators have been addressing these issues in their videos, so that the people who are watching these videos get their support, and maybe like and share, maybe talk to the Redbubble, or via the Twitter, via the email support, whatever way in which you can convey to the Redbubble. Talk to them and address these issues and share it with the other people, so that watch this video and really convey to the Redbubble. Maybe if you can, I don't know how to convey it either, so that's why I'm making this video. And video is to help myself as well, and to help other creators, other artists who are putting their time and effort in creating these designs. And this is what I would really appreciate that. Let me know in the comment section below, and please support this video and share it to the other people, so that it really came across into the eyes of the Redbubble and they really work on this thing. And also I want to support and also want to be in the lead of the other creators who are talking about this concern, who are talking about this literal issues that they are also facing onto the Redbubble. And I want to be joined that, so that maybe anyone out there who can convey the same thing to the Redbubble, and they really work on this issue and they really correct this thing, it would be great help for all of us guys. Check out the videos of the YouTubers who are talking about the same issue. I'm linking all those videos in the description box below, who are talking about the same issues. You can check their videos as well, guys. I'll literally support each and everyone, and if you can convey to the Redbubble, it would be a great support from you guys, and I would really appreciate that if you do so, and if you give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section below that what do you think about it, and share this video to everyone. And also check the other YouTuber videos who are addressing the similar issue in their videos. Their videos are in the description box below. Check their videos also and share it to the people, and also mine as well, guys. I would really appreciate that if you can convey to the Redbubble. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. Please do take care. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye.